So this is Nirbhay, and in this video we will see the AWS sign-out problem whenever we have logged in into any account and when we try to log in another account like this. And now if we go into our previous account, then we will see a message from AWS, you have been signed out. So in this video I will be sharing you two different methods. By using that you can log in into multiple AWS account within a single browser only. Method 1, to log in into a multiple AWS account using a single browser only. For this, you need to download and install Mozilla Firefox that you can download from Microsoft Store. So once you have downloaded Mozilla Firefox, you need to simply open that and search for Firefox add-ons. And you need to click on this first link, that is add-ons for Firefox. And in the search box, you need to search for multi-containers. After hitting enter, you will see some results like this, and you need to click on this first link, that is Firefox multi-account containers, and click on this add to Firefox. Again at the right side pop-up you need to click on add, OK, and in the top side you will be seeing an icon is there, that is with three boxes and with a plus icon. So you need to click on this and click on get started, next, 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 and not now, not now, and you will be seeing these four different containers. So you can create more containers as well. Let I create a new container by clicking on manage container, new container, and I will name it as account 02 and I will click on OK. Now to keep the video short, I have already logged into an AWS account. Like you can see, I have logged into an account 1 with a specific user. Now I want to log into another AWS account or with another user. So how I can do? So for this you can simply click on the tab and right click and click on this open in new container tab, and you can select any other container. Let's say I have created account 2, so I will select account 2 and it will redirect me to an AWS login page again, like you can see. Or else, and suppose if you already have an AWS sign-in URL and you want to sign in using that, or you may have bookmarked that URL in your bookmarks. So how you can do that? So for this you need to again come here at the top right side and click on this icon, that is Firefox multi-account containers, and click on your new container, that is account 02 or any other container that you would like to. Okay, and here you can simply paste that URL. So once you paste your login URL, so it will automatically get some detail field like account ID or your username. Okay, so let me enter mine. So now I have entered my other username detail, that is account 2 user, and with my alias. I will simply click on sign in. Now you can see I have successfully logged in into my account 2 with a user in the container account 2. Okay, and if I go in my previous tab, that is for account 1, and I can see still this page is active, as well as I can access this account 2 as well. So I am able to access account 1 as well as account 2 in the same browser only. So before proceeding with the method 2, let I close this account 2 tab and some other tabs that are not required. Method 2, to log in into multiple AWS account using a single browser only. Now you can see I have already logged into an AWS account that I named it as account 1 with a user. And now in order to log in into another AWS account or with another user, so what you need to do, you need to come at the right section of your top of your screen and click on this account and drop down. Okay, now here you will be seeing an option like turn on multi-session support, and you need to click on turn on multi-session support. Now you will be seeing a message in green, welcome to AWS multi-session support. Okay, you can cross it down, and again you need to go at the top right side of your screen and drop down this, and you can see currently I am logged in with the account 1 user, and in order to log in into another account I need to simply click on this add session and it will redirect me to another AWS login page. Now I need to replace this ID with another account, or if it is a same account, so I can keep it like that, and I need to enter username and password. So let me enter mine of another AWS account. So now I have entered my AWS credential for another account, that you can see my username is now different, that is account 2 user, whereas initial was account 1 user. So I will simply clicking on sign in. Now you can see I have successfully logged in with my account 2 user, that you can see it is account 2 user and my account ID is different. Whereas if I again go in my previous tab, that is with account 1 user. Now you can see I have still logged in into both accounts and I can navigate between them. Okay, now to see the other active session, you need to again click on this drop down. Now you can see my current session is with account 1 user in the blue, and another active session is with account 2 user with different ID itself. Now if I want to open the another active section of different AWS account with different user within a same browser, so I can simply click on this and it will open another active session within a single browser only. Now you can see again account 2 user is there and account 1 user is also there, and in the third tab again account 2 user is there. So from the account 2 user also you can see the current session is for account 2 user and another active session are for account 1 user. So now as we have seen, we are able to navigate between account 1 and between account 2 also with another user. Now suppose if you want to log in into one more AWS account, so again you need to go here at the top right side and click on this drop down and again click on add session. So again it will show you an login page and you need to again enter another account details or other usernames and you can log in into that AWS account. So hoping that you are able to log in into multiple AWS accounts using single browser only by using those two different methods. So please comment down in the comment section which method you like the most, and if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Till now, bye bye.